Hello guys, and this is my I built in Theme Park Tycoon 2, and you guys comment if my Disneyland is ugly or cool or just a little bit cool. Okay, now this is my parks. It's inspired by Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay, 38 likes. Disneyland. Okay, now let's go. Welcome to my Disneyland. Builder Marcus Maverick 0912. Events momentous fireworks show and World Cup photos. This is the main entrance, guys. It's the main entrance. Let's go here. So the pictures and the Main Street USA. The paths. Oh, that's the castle. That's the castle of the Magical Dreams, or I called it. Oh, this is the statue of the Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse, and this is the castle Magical Dreams. Okay, but the park is not done yet. I'm gonna buy this all for space, that one, all of it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and ring the button bell and comment. Bye.